Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand the topic advertisement. Advertisement writing, it includes 4 mark. Fine. And it is in short composition. Means we are going to get 2 options out of 4 in our CBSE board exams, and it is you can say compulsory question. Means every year one question is asked from advertisement. Breakup of marks is 4. Format heading 1 mark, contain 2 mark, expression 1 mark, 4 marks. So out of 4 topics, it means first topic is notice, posters, invitation and advertisement. So out of these 4 topics you are going to get one topic in your you are going to get 2 option and you have to do one. You have to do one. You have to do whether you are going to write advertisement or notice or poster or invitation. Fine. So means you are going to get 2 in option and you have to do one. So what is basically an advertisement? An advertisement is a kind of public announcement which is made through a popular medium like a newspaper, magazine, radio, etc. See, nowadays our life is surrounded with many advertisements daily in television. Okay, we can see many ads. Even when you are searching something on net, you can see so many advertisements are over there. So nowadays our life is incomplete without advertisement. Advertisement means selling, buying, marketing, anything, etc. आपको कुछ बेचना है तो एडवर्टीजमेंट, आपको कुछ खरीदना है तो एडवर्टीजमेंट मीन्स एडवर्टाइज और डिमांड पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन और सर्विसेज. Advertisements are displayed by TV, radio, newspaper and social media. This is one of the most critical component of marketing. Fine. And we all have to understand that advertising is used to provide information about missing people, animals and goods. Same item shows many advertised in TV, radio and newspaper. Means sometime we get confused over there that which toothpaste we have to use. कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि कौन सा टूथपेस्ट यूज़ करें. Pepsodent, Colgate, Meswak, Patanjali, we get confused over there. Okay, so through the advertisement customer do not realize which item is good or bad, but sometime one gets the right information about the goods. Fine. So advertising is very important for promoting sales and services. Basically there are 2 types of advertisement: classified, commercial or display. Classified is in your syllabus. Commercial or display designed for commercial purpose, means that you are going to see in TV ads and all. Fine. And classified advertisement is we can say express more by paying less, but in commercial ad we need means what, that more money. Types of classified advertisement you can see in newspaper. Matrimonial, to let, आप देखते होंगे हर संडे को आता है मैट्रिमोनियल. मीन्स व्हाट, दैट suitable match, bridegroom wanted. Go through the newspaper and see. Situations wanted, requirements, sale and purchase. Sometime we want to give our house on rent, to let. Okay, obituary, educational, missing, travel and tour. Sometimes we want suppose in case someone is shifting to other town, then he or she needs house, so accommodation wanted. Fine. So we have to understand the essential details. What are the essential details of classified advertisement? Classified ads are used by the journal masses to promote or use services. The only concern in the classified ad is to get things noticed with as minimum words as possible. See, every topic means whether we are writing notice, advertisement, poster or invitation, we have to write it in box. Okay, put the matter in the box. Classified ads are often between the range of 50 words. Clearly state the category like for sale, to let, situation, vacant. Suppose in case you are selling something, then means make a box and write down first for sale. Suppose in case you are giving your house on rent, then write down to let. Suppose in case you want a house on rent, accommodation wanted. Fine. Situation, vacant. in capital letters. Put the matter in box, give necessary details. It should be short, concise and to the point. Express more by paying less. Students, I want to clear you one thing over here. What? That while writing advertisement, we have to understand very well that language used is simple, factual and formal. They are short, concise and to the point. And I want to tell you one more thing, that classified advertisement are categorized into columns according to different classes. Different classes means to let, accommodation wanted, matrimonial. Fine. So here I am going to give you one example to make you understand. You have a 3-bedroom flat in Dwarka which you want to let out on rent. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in Times of India under classified columns. Contact 2758902. Now see, what is advertisement? Beta, in advertisement basically we have to write down the quality of the thing that we want to promote. मुझे किराए पे मकान देना, मुझे मेरे घर की क्वालिटीज़ बतानी होगी. Suppose in case you want a house, then you ask the qualities. Suppose in case you means what, that your father is searching a nice bridegroom for your sister, तो वहाँ क्या करना पड़ेगा कि you have to mention the qualities of sister as well as ask the basic qualities for deserving candidate. So it is the way we have to write down the quality. So first of all, to let means when we are giving house on rent, to let. Suppose in case I want house on rent, then I will write accommodation wanted. Available, over there जब मुझे किराए पे चाहिए तो मैं लिखूंगी required. यहाँ मुझे देना है available for means house on rent. To let, I want to give my house on rent, to let. Available for a rent. Fully furnished, I am mentioning just qualities. And start from fully furnished, 3-bedroom flat in Dwarka. Okay, a drawing hall and balconies on both sides, well equipped with electrical appliances. You can write it this way also. Available 3 BHK for rent. Available 3 BHK for rent, comma, facing northeast. We can write down, हम वो भी लिख सकते हैं, facing northeast and well equipped with electrical appliances, 24 hours water and electricity. Parking facilities also available. Fine. If 2 parkings are available, we can give 2 parkings are available. Fine. We can write down metro station 1 kilometer away, near mall, near park, near school. For further details, contact Mr. XYZ contact number. So this is the basic idea of the advertisement. You have to write down it in box. This is heading, you have to write down capital or in bold letter to attract. Okay, and this is content. So this is 1 mark when we are mentioning the category, and for content we are getting 2 mark, and for this you can say expression all, you will get 1 mark, total 4 mark. Fine. I have already sent accommodation wanted and to let questions in PDF. Do it and understand it, and next I'll send you questions related to matrimonial. Fine. But basically what we have to do, हमें करना क्या है, we are not going to use helping verb in it. हमें helping verb को avoid करना है, and use comma, okay, while mentioning the qualities. Okay, and for new sentence we can before a new sentence we have to put full stop. So it is these are the qualities of the house. जितनी qualities है house की I have already mentioned over here, and then for further details before it I have mentioned full stop. So I hope that you have understand it very well. Please understand it, and after this we have to do it what, हमें ये करना होगा. ये समझने के बाद में we have to do more questions. We have to do it. We have to do matrimonial. We have to do then accommodation wanted, for sale, for purchase. Fine. And this topic covers 4 marks in your exam. Students, here I would like to tell you one thing, that tomorrow our school is going to virtual run, organizing an event, virtual run, virtual walk. I hope that you all are going to join it and make it a great grand success. Thank you. Have a nice day.